For many people, nature is nasty. It is nasty because you can find soil, worms, animals, plants, and other ones that makes you dirty. These people prefer to live in cities. They think in cities is more clean and innocuous. In addition, a great part of this point of view is really. However, they do not know what is certain happening in nature. First, nature provides us all things to bring cities. For example, if you eat a gourmet plate in a restaurant, you obviously check that food is good and clean. Nevertheless, do you really know where the food comes or if it's the origin clean overall? It is impossible to know. In this way, I can show many examples of people prefer cities. In this video, I will talk about our connection with nature, the importance, some problems, and how can do it. In contrary of city places, nature results as a good place to share, to spend, or only join with your friends, your family, and other one. Klasky, the president of Ireland, said that outdoors workout like a free and natural remedy to physical problems killed. But he said too, kids actually spend more time with entertainment, media, and less time for outdoors. But in this video I will talk about some questions. The first question is, rural or urban? City or outdoors? What do you prefer? Both places can present downside but advantage too. Urban, for example, is a great source of pollution. No place, rather people who live inside. Majority of people is in cities. A hyperpollution produces great smoke due by cars, industries, companies, etc. In theory, you unlikely feel stressed by car noise, people who are screaming, discos, autobus that are crying red, etc. On the other hand, in nature you feel relaxed because it's not noisy by cars, no smoke, or something like that. Nature provides us more oxygen to our good respiration, beauty sound of birds, rivers, or only air sound is running on first. So I prefer to connect with nature all the time that I can do it. I love to play in edge biomes. Well, I would like to travel around the world to visit each one. In my country, I usually go out to forest and search new ideas in outdoors. I often like to think about how universe is done or nature works, and that I do in nature. The second question is, what benefits could you get from living in a city or away from it? Actually, we are considering that nature has not advanced if you compare with the technologies and houses in cities. Regarding living in cities, Life at Declare mentioned that many reasons can present about advantage in a city. For instance, many of our advantages are convenience of public transportation, entertainment options, quality food in restaurants and shoppings, social events, the best possible medical care, and sports. But according to American Society of Landscape Architects, nature-based recreation does not mean only a great land of good or a forest. Keeping nature includes all green space. Moreover, Dr. Jackson said that green space could be a place to talk, to walk, have access to bike trails, and are near parks, for example. These places give us higher levels of health than those in communities lacking those amenities. The third question is, can urbanism be stopped? What are some ways? According to Vandenberg, exists a way to stop urbanism. First, we need to understand what happens around us, like food security unit. Second, if our environment is bad, we need to consider the consciousness to do something that damages it. In addition, we need to analyze our carrying capacity, and we do not pass it. In contrary, we will search food and we destroy nature to contract with urbanisms. The last question is, how can this connection be promoted? I mean that good connection between nature and human could be. We need to realize that nature provides us all what we need to survive and live suitable. In this way, if you feel it, you care nature. Nature will be comfortable and with balance to give us liquid resource. Resource not only to live, that includes air, oxygen, temperature, and sounds that we can enjoy it.